Tonight it could go either way. Hearts balanced on a razor blade. We are designed to love and break, then to rinse and repeat it all again.
Let's do this.
And the world's too loud and things don't look up when you're going down. I know your arms are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space. Celestial, celestial. See the light shining through the rain.
One of Sonic's most terrifying enemies.
Needed to rise from the lowest place. There's silver lining that surrounds the gray.
Welcome to Master Designs.
Come back round. Things don't look up when you're going down. Know your arms, they are
This episode, we're gonna draw mephiles.
somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me
Alright.
feel like I'm
First of
drunk
all,
on stars and we're dancing out into space.
I haven't gotten any information on mephiles. All I know about him is that he first appeared on the Sonic Forces video games, and he kind of reminds me of Metal Shadow and Infinite.
You make me feel we were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic in all the stars.
Something about this guy feels a bit misguided. That means following the wrong path.
You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space.
This is air. Alexa, play Levitating.
Levitating by Dua Lipa on Amazon Music.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you. Moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating.
Here's his fingers.
I feel it in our energy. I see us written in the stars. We can go wherever, so let's do it now or never, baby. Nothing's ever too far. Glitter in the sky, glitter in our eyes, shining just the way we are. I feel like we're forever every time we get together, but whatever, let's get lost.
Here's his fingers.
You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you.
arm. As you have noticed, his body has a bioluminescent glow, and with a purple aurora surrounding it, his divine vessel.
Sugar boo, I'm levitating, the Milky Way, we're renegading. I got you.
There's his arm.
You're my starlight. I
There
need
is.
you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm levitating. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you. Moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you.
There's his arms.
Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating.
Oh, one more thing, guys. His full name is Mephiles the Dark. Really kind of unknown why he was named that. Probably was created after some curse. There we are. There's his feet. There's his feet. Now we draw this part here. This is the aura that surrounds his arms. His shard-like arms. You know, for some reason, I feel like he should be in Sonic Prime. Would that be something to add? They would have done the same thing with ML, Cosmo, Cream and Cheese, Silver, Zavok, Chaos. Some of them aren't even evil. Some of them have their own destiny to look after. I wish they do the same thing with Omega as well. There's a lot about the Sonic universe I need to catch up on. And there he is. That is how you draw Mephiles. Looks like a god of destruction. Well, from Sonic standards. He looks great. May this be a reminder that no matter what you look like, people will always like you. All these forms from Sonic the Hedgehog work in different ways, but that's just how I like it. Anyway, that's all for now, guys. Good night.